Hiring a car accident attorney, the costs. Did you know? Over $230 billion is spent annually in the United States on vehicle accidents. An automobile accident will happen to 1 in 3 Americans at some point in their lives. A vehicle accident lawyer can offer invaluable legal advice and counsel to ensure that your rights are protected, whether you are dealing with disputes over culpability or damages. Hiring a knowledgeable and skilled car accident lawyer can provide you with the security and defense you require if you're not sure where to turn following a car accident. In our previous video, we shared with you the significance of working with a vehicle accident attorney, and where to look for a trustworthy attorney. In this video, we'll share with you the price of engaging a lawyer for a vehicle accident. Comment on what you think about this. And be sure to click on our like and subscribe buttons. Let's begin. The costs of hiring a car accident lawyer. Various fee structures. Lawyers may bill for their services using a variety of different fee schemes. Here are 4 typical charge schedules. 1. Contingency fees are a portion of any settlement or award you obtain because of your lawsuit. The settlement or award will be split between you and your attorney, with a portion going to the lawyer. In personal injury lawsuits, such as those involving auto accidents, contingency fees are frequently employed. 2. Hourly rates. Some attorneys bill their clients on an hourly basis. In other words, you will pay the attorney a predetermined fee for each hour they spend working on your case. 3. Flat fees. An attorney will often charge a predetermined cost for their services. This might be used to issues that are quite easy to understand and handle, such making a will or managing a minor claims case. 4. Retainer fees. A retainer fee is a deposit paid up ahead to retain the counsel's services. A lawyer will work on your case and charge you for their time. The lawyer's first charges are frequently covered by the initial retainer fee. Any further costs will be invoiced individually. Before selecting a lawyer, it's crucial to comprehend their fee arrangements and to address any issues or reservations you may have about them before starting your case. Pros and cons. Here are 4 pros and 4 cons of the 4 different types of fee structures that lawyers may use. 1. Contingency fees. Pros. You won't have to pay the attorney until you obtain a settlement or reward after winning your case. This may seem particularly enticing if you lack the money to pay a lawyer up front. The attorney has a stake in your case and may be more driven to exert extra effort to secure a good result for you. Cons. Because the attorney's fee is based on a percentage of your settlement or award, it will increase in proportion to the amount you get. If you are asking for a sizable sum in damages, this can be a problem. If you lose your lawsuit, you won't be responsible for paying the attorney's fee, but you also won't be reimbursed for your losses. 2. Hourly rates. Pros. As you only pay for the time the attorney spends working on your case, you have more control over the case's expenses. If you go about and compare prices from several attorneys, you might be able to negotiate a cheaper hourly cost. Cons. If your case is difficult or takes a long time to resolve, the charges might quickly mount up. If you are concerned about the cost of each communication, you might be less inclined to want to ask your lawyer questions or express concerns. 3. Flat fees. Pros. Budgeting may be made simpler because you will know up front how much your lawsuit will cost. For easy, straightforward matters that don't take a lot of time or effort, flat costs might be tempting. Cons. Flat costs might not be appropriate for matters that demand a lot of time or effort or are more complex. If your case involves more work than expected or takes longer than expected, you can find up spending more overall. 4. Retainer fees. Pros. You can reserve a lawyer's services in advance by paying a retainer fee. If you pay a retainer fee, you might be able to bargain for a reduced hourly charge. Cons. If you are paying for a lawyer's services up front, the first retainer cost may be pricey. The costs of your case can pile up rapidly, particularly if it is complicated or takes a while to be resolved. 5 ways to negotiate attorney fees. There are 5 actions you may take to try to bargain rates if you are worried about how much hiring an attorney would cost. 1. Do some comparison shopping. It's a good idea to speak with a few different attorneys to learn more about their rates and how they operate. To choose a lawyer that is a suitable fit for your needs and budget, you may compare their costs and services. 2. Recognize the fee arrangement. Confirm that you recognize the fee arrangement that the attorney utilizes, and if you have any queries, do so. Ask the lawyer about their fee and the way they bill for their time, for instance, if they charge by the hour. 3. Address your budget. Be honest with the attorney about your financial situation and any worries you may have regarding the price of their services. They might be able to propose options or recommendations that will allow you to stick to your budget. 4. Consider other cost arrangements. If the lawyer's fees are out of your price range, you might want to consider alternative charge arrangements, including a contingency fee or a flat fee. In some circumstances, these costs could be more inexpensive. 5. Bargain. Don't be afraid to haggle with the attorney to get to a pricing agreement that benefits both of you. Prepare an explanation of your financial status, including what you can afford, and be receptive to the lawyer's advice. In general, it's crucial to be upfront and truthful about your financial situation and any worries you may have regarding the expense of employing a lawyer. You should be able to locate a lawyer who is prepared to work with you to establish a price agreement that satisfies your demands with a little searching and haggling. Comment on what you think about this. We're halfway through our video. Do click on our like and subscribe buttons for more good information. In conclusion, the major takeaways from the film are: 1. It's crucial to get legal counsel following a vehicle accident to ensure that your rights are upheld and that you are fairly compensated for any losses you may have sustained. 2. You should study lawyers and consider variables such as their reputation, credentials, and communication style before deciding. 3. It's vital to select a lawyer who has expertise managing vehicle accident cases and who is knowledgeable with the legislation in your state. 4. There are numerous alternative price arrangements that attorneys may employ, so it's crucial to comprehend what the lawyer charges and to talk about any financial worries you may have. 5. Establishing a reliable and productive attorney-client relationship requires finding a lawyer who can successfully communicate with you and who makes you feel at ease. The significance of retaining legal counsel following an automobile accident cannot be emphasized. A skilled and seasoned attorney can offer invaluable support and direction at a trying and stressful time, assist you in navigating the legal system, and fight for your rights to ensure that you are fairly compensated for any losses you may have sustained. We urge you to do your homework and invest the necessary time in hiring a reliable automobile accident attorney who can guide you through the legal system and fight for your rights. It's crucial to conduct your research and invest the necessary time in finding a trustworthy automobile accident attorney who can guide you through the legal system and fight for your rights. This can increase your chances of victory and guarantee that you get just recompense for any losses you incurred because of the accident. To locate a reliable automobile accident attorney: 1. Request referrals from friends, family members, or other attorneys who have handled cases involving auto accidents. 2. Examine internet testimonials and rankings to see what other people are saying about their interactions with various attorneys. 3. Meet with many attorneys to compare their qualifications, methods of communication, and costs. 4. Verify the lawyer's credentials and confirm that they are authorized to practice law in your state. You may be certain that you have an experienced and qualified advocate on your side to assist you through the legal system and get the compensation you deserve by doing your research and taking the time to choose a reliable car accident lawyer. Do you know of someone who can benefit from this? Tell us in the comment section. So, in this video, we've just shared with you the costs of hiring a car accident lawyer. If you've yet to do so, do check out our previous video, where we shared with you the importance of hiring a car accident lawyer and how to find a reputable car accident lawyer. Speak to a legal professional if you know of someone who can benefit from this. Comment on what you'd like us to feature next in our channel. Check out our playlists for more useful information like this. And remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.